Another big song in your career was No Worries.
Yeah, No
Spice.
Worries, yes.
How did you guys connect to actually come up with that song there now?
All right, she and my sister always a link. And it was a time in dancehall where they say females not uniting, females now. But no, me know why anyway. Females now this, females now that. So she linked my sister because she always wanted to do a song with me. You understand? It wasn't my choice. It was her who always wanted to do a song with me. Because there's always some issues because she and my ex-husband have problem one time and then it was like some issue. So I do me. So she always tell my sister, say, no, I want to do a song with the sister. Me always say, when the time is right. When the time is right. Because I don't knock nothing when the time is right. So basically the time presents itself, the time becomes right. And when she went, I tell my sister, say, me ready, man. And she went on stage and she said, me and Dangel are going to do a song together. So I call up Zoom and I say, yo, want me and Spice do a song together? And I say, I need the rhythm. And Zoom send the rhythm. I say, Spice, I never have her number. And my sister, I said, give me her number. Tell her I'm going to call her. And that's the first time I ever talked to her in how much years. So I'm going to call her. And because that's me, you know, that's me. There's going to become a time when you have to be mature about things and music this, you understand? So I never have no emotion when I come on to music. I just say, this is the time now. We have to be mature about this. We're going to do this together. I'm going to call her and it was a really good vibe. I'm going to send the rhythm, go gear. So what kind of song we're going to sing now? Yeah. I say, all right then, and we figure it out until we say, all right then, we come to an agreement and say, this is the song we're going to sing, you know? So I got the song written by a youth named Professor, also. Professor M name. And I sent the song again and just said, yo, what a song you bad? I said, yo, meet me at studio. I saw work and the next day we link up a studio and the rest is history. Big, big song. Up to today, massive, massive, massive song. And yeah. Massive song. Right now, me have no worries. Gotta deal with everything, yes. Gotta deal with everything right now. When you sing a song about God, what more you want in a life? That's a big, big song. So we carry the song from the back like a what you call it, like a backpack. Right through, up to today, yeah. Yeah, me just take the song and just work it right through.
How did you guys come up with the concept for the video?
The video? Me and her again. Everything was me and her. We share everything equally, you know? But, you know, like that time when everything just get crazy.
So when did it go from No Worries
to Worries?
So yes.
Boy, you have to ask a lady there. Me don't know. We just say, be a worry start. I mean, so all the song becomes a worry song and we say, gotta deal with everything. Till she delete the song from her page. I might say, what is it if I delete one God song? How can a woman this? But I'm just like, Jesus, God, what is this? And I just go down a beach and just cut and clear her and just let her go. Because I can't bother with the bad energy and the bad vibes. I just keep the song. Because we did that song for the people, not for us. And I realized that, you know, so are the people them song. So I just continue singing it for the people them.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.